Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Before I apply the rice water and go into what rice water is actually about, I just got out the shower now and I really need a mask. My skin's going through a lot lately. I have a new breakout on this side which is looking lovely. I'm just gonna apply a mud mask which helps with skin oxygenation. It looks like henna, but it's a mud mask, a silk mud mask. It's from the Ooh La La collection. Anyway, you can actually also use this mask on your hair. And I thought because I'm gonna apply this rice water onto my hair, I might as well mask in the meantime. So moving on to what you're really here for, the rice water. I let the rice ferment for 2 days and then I just extracted the rice water. So here is my rice water that I'm going to be using on my hair as a rinse after I shampoo and condition. And I put it in this spray bottle, so I'm just going to spritz it onto my hair, make sure that it gets into my hair follicles, and I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. Beautiful. I actually have been getting single strand knots lately. You guys know what that means. I need a trim. I haven't trimmed my hair in a long time, so it is much needed while my hair is growing, eh? And I really want to get it to waist length. So this rice water is supposed to be like a vitamin for the hair. If you're taking any supplements for your hair at the moment, you won't even need to use any supplements because this has so many nutrients in it. I was watching a YouTube video and this girl was talking about the Yao woman in China who have used this for many years, and it's basically just for hair growth and maintaining the health of your hair, and it helps to keep your hair shiny and also helps to improve the elasticity of your hair. Just gonna add a little more to my ends here because this needs a lot of help. It's the oldest. This actually feels like a detangler because my hair, look at how my hands are going through my hair so quickly. Wow. What do you guys know about color blocking? I was watching a video by Style by Lauren now. She had a color therapist on her channel talking about how when you wear different colors it says something about you. Like if you're wearing white, then it exudes innocence, and if you wear black, then it's power and control and that type of stuff. So I think it was quite interesting, especially when she said, oh, when you see people wearing black and you just think, oh, it's actually power that the person's exuding, but they might be going through a deep time, is what she called it. They're going through something and you should actually talk to people when they're wearing black because they might need a hug or a cup of coffee and that type of thing. Check out that color series. I will link it in the description below if you'd like to watch. I thought that I was going to be able to smell like a really fermented scent from the rice water, but it's not really that hectic. I think also maybe because I eat a lot of brown rice that I'm not fazed by the smell of rice. I know I'm supposed to rinse it, but if this is not bad, then maybe in future I will leave it on my hair because what's the worst that could happen? Just want to make sure my hair is healthy, and if my hair is healthy, then it will grow. So I'm just going to put a cap on my head and then I will leave it on for a half an hour. My kickaboo hats. So in about 30 minutes I'm going to rinse this from my hair and then just apply oil and do my normal twist down. Just thinking about doing it for a month, and I will upload updates for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.